Hey you guys, what is up? I'm back at it again with the back at it again. But no, I'm back with another video. As you can see by the title, this is another eye tutorial and it's going to be showing you guys how to get this look. I think this is like one of my favorite looks so far that I have did. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every single week. We're ready to be lit. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. So my eyebrows are already done and I already concealed and set my eyelids. So I'm gonna be using the VIDS Cosmetics Ultimate Matte. Oh my god. Y'all see that? Yo, these colors are bomb. Take this turquoise color right here and I'm gonna put this in my crease and all over my lid. Yo, do you guys see how pigmented this is? This is freaking crazy. Now I'm going to be taking Mean Girls, which is a dark turquoise color, and it is by Morphe. This is the Social Butterfly palette. I'm going to be taking this color and I'm going to be putting that in my crease in my outer corner to darken it up. So now I'm gonna do a cut crease. So now I'm gonna take Insta Famous and pack that on my lid. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with Mean Girls and blend out the two colors so they can blend it to each other. Now from the BH Cosmetics Foil Eye 28 color palette, I'm going to be taking this light color shade right here in my inner corner. I'm not done my eyes. I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash line. Like I just have to, okay? I just have to. So I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. I'm going to speed through. I'm going to go back in with this turquoise color and do my bottom lash line. You know, Mean Girls. And I'm only going to take a little teeny bit because I don't want to darken it up that much. Now, take some black eyeliner. So for my inner corner, I'm gonna go back in with this light, like turquoise color. So my face is done, the eyes is done. So I'm gonna hurry up and pop my lashes on. These are by Lash Dreams and they are in Fantasy. So I'm gonna pop these on really quickly. That was the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like the look. So let's get up close. I probably should have put on different lashes because these kind of like hide the look. I should have put on like some more simple ones, but it is okay. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every single week. Okay, you do not want to miss out. You do not want to miss out on the other videos because I'm telling y'all, we fit to be lit. Okay, so much fun on this channel. Share with anybody, your friends, your family, whoever, to come join the channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.